Hey there! Are you actually curious about how websites get to the top of search results? Let me introduce you to SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Basically, search engine optimization is the process of improving a website to make it more visible on search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Think of it as the art and science of helping search engines find and rank your content. Every day, millions of people search for solutions, products, or answers. Basically, SEO can increase your website visibility, bring more organic traffic, and boost your business or personal brand. SEO works in three key areas. Number one page SEO, optimize content and meta description. Number two, off-page SEO, building backlinks and creating strong online reputation. Number three, technical SEO, ensure your site is fast, secure, and easy to navigate. For example, let's say you run a blog about healthy recipe. By using SEO technique like targeting the right keywords, improving your content quality, you can make sure your blog appears at the top when someone searches for easy healthy recipe. SEO is a powerful tool to grow your website and business. It's not magic, it's strategy. Want to learn more tips on how to use SEO effectively? Hit the like button for more content like this. See you in the next video.